very cold, it's very chilly. It's also very sunny, that's why I got the sunglasses on. Yeah, good morning, welcome back to the roadshow. And today I have something very special planned. 1:10. Well, I'm always early, and that's not saying anything against the other lads, it's just that I'm always just bad at, it's Mehmet, I'm just always bad at calculating time and stuff. Right, let's see if he gets confused. that didn't work out as expected. Hello, sexy. You ready for trampolining?
Yeah, from a young age I've been able to do a backflip. Yeah, the first time I tried, almost broke my neck. So
how did you almost break your neck?
I landed on the trampoline on my face. My body went over me.
Yeah. Experience in trampolining?
Yeah.
I joined the Olympic team at the age of 7.
I did. Won every single trampolining based event, but I had to retire because I was too good.
What about you, Tom? Any experience in trampolining?
I can do like a triple somersault. They built a flip out at Lakeside. It feels like that. I want to try that.
I've tried that.
Is it?
Yeah, it's really good. It's like ninja themed. I did like ninja tag. It was pretty awesome. It's just like tag, but ninjas.
Oh, there's Joe. There he is.
That's like a 40-year-old man. Alright, everyone in. Matt, you get in as well. Right, come on. Close the door. Close it. Where's Joe? He's supposed to be here by now. We said 10:30. We did say 10:30, didn't we? After all of that, all of the preparation, this kid is going to meet us at the O2. I've been waiting here for like half an hour. Right, let's go.
Max, Joe isn't actually in that camera, so you're not actually talking to anyone. You're just talking to your viewers who aren't here.
Like he gets views. Slam dunk.
Oh, fuck. How long have we got? Well, we know what he's doing after college. Right, let's change platform. Alright, we're back on track.
Train track?
Yeah. Oh shit! Ah. Ah. Oh my god, that was so scary. Right, let's last train, then we're there. It's been a bit of a journey, to be honest. Right, so today we're going to go trampolining. Trampoline parks are cool. I've been to a few in my time. Right, let's get into this. This is a cool station. One problem is I'm not sure if they're going to allow me to use my GoPro.
When we're trampolining.
Yeah.
The question is, do you have the drone with you?
I do not have the drone with me, Mehmet. Don't always carry around with me. Wembley Stadium. The Big Apple. So O2 have actually told us that we can't, well, I can't record in here. Well, it's really weird. I've never known this. I haven't ever recorded in here before, so I can't vlog in here. I apologise. I'll see if I can get my GoPro in the jump park. That's going to be really, quite hard, but I'll see. Oh. Just sometimes, live the moment. The word of the day is moment. As in sometimes, you should just bloody live the moment. Hello there. Come on. Alright, we're gonna see if I can take the GoPro around. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, go. Yeah. Sticky one still.
Speedrun boy.
Oh, he's so...
Come on, you gotta do it now. Oh, easy. Right, so that's trampolining over and done with. I think we're gonna head to Westfield now and go see Parasite, but we do all smell. We're terribly smelly. But I don't really want to get close up with your feet personally. Yeah, we get a chance to do something slightly rebellious. I like.
To rock around as
If you get a chance to do something, and even if it's a bit rebellious, but it's the only time you get to do it. I say sometimes, or in all circumstances, because that's a bad example. But maybe just try it. Right, off to the cinema. What's it like, Mehmet? Yeah, yeah.
We should go to a small...
We didn't make it. Let's back a bit. Sorry, Mehmet.
Yeah.
There's times like this where
You've ruined it. Basically, we didn't see Parasite.
We didn't get it.
Right,
no, we didn't
basically,
make it.
This is a big fuck you to.
Whoa. No.
What's your free jump? Do you know why? Get your vending machines working. We would have seen Parasite. But you're going to be getting a very strongly worded.
Right, okay.
Oh my god,
There was one of the vending machine. We couldn't get the drinks. We probably could have saved a few minutes, but it's probably started. Let's be for real.
No,
I don't know. I want to see it from the start.
Yeah.
I want to see it properly. I'm not really in the mood to watch it at the moment, so I think we're gonna do a bit of shopping. But sorry for the anticlimactic end.
It is crazy.
Anyway, without further ado, I would like to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next
Really? You're
episode.
going to end it there?
Well, where else are we gonna end it?
I got a new life.
You can hardly recognize me. I'm so.
We'll think of something. We will think of something. We've got to end it better than this. The people don't want this.
They deserve better.
You, whoever you are,
You
haven't come all this way
You don't deserve this type of ending, personally.
just to not
from my eyes.
hear like a review or something. So we need to make up for it, but I don't know why.
Alright, we'll think of something.
We'll get some footage while we're shopping.